Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video I will be reviewing Hermosahair's 13x4 24-inch water wave unit. This unit is at 220% density, so as you guys can see, it is pretty full. Now I did tame it with a little bit of product, which I'll go over later on in the video. Before we get into this video, you guys, make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update. All right, you guys, so the first thing I want to show you is the stuff that they did give me along with the unit. Now, in the packaging, you will see that this is a pink packaging that says Hermosahair, and then also inside of the packaging they did give some lashes. They gave wig caps. There's 2 in the pack. They also give a band that actually gets sewed inside of the wig, just in case you need that extra adjustable strap to go ahead and secure the unit more.
Just enough, still to might say that I'm simping, I'm sprung on love to your butt. I can't help, she makes me say, hey, and I just can't think, ooh, anything else I found. Then I hear you sing my name the way we do our thing. Baby girl, you make me sing. Oh, baby, baby, keep me strong. Just enough. Still to might say that I'm simping, I'm sprung, I'm lovely, you but I can't help, she makes me say, hey, and I just can't think, ooh, anything else I'd rather than to hear you sing my name the way you do, I think, we do the things we do. Oh, baby girl, you make me sing. Just enough. Still to might say that I'm simping, I'm sprung, I'm lovely, you but I can't help, she makes me say, hey, and I just can't think, ooh, anything else I'd rather than to hear you sing my name the way you do, I think, we do the things we do. Oh, baby girl, you make me sing.
Alright you guys, so as you can see, I did decide to do a side part. As you guys know, I am in love with my side part units. I have been incorporating more side part styles. I know I used to say I love middle parts, like I used to be so in love with middle parts, but I feel like the more you do your hair, just the more you do things, you start to do different styles. So I am in love with side parts, and yeah, this is just a thing. And definitely if you're getting like a 13x4, which this unit is a 13x4, you're definitely able to do more things with your hair. It's more versatile. So a side part is what I chose. Now as far as this lace, you guys, this lace is more transparent. If you guys don't know what a transparent unit is, basically the lace is more clear, as opposed to an HD. It's a little bit more, it's less work to do, because it's a little more melted. Now with transparent, there's nothing wrong with transparent because it could definitely blend. You just have to make sure you have the right powder, foundation, or if you want to go ahead and bleach the knots so you don't have to use any powder or foundation, you could definitely do that. Now I didn't bleach the knots. I don't feel like I needed to do it. I just feel like it all depends on if you're a beginner or if you know how to blend your wig really good. You could choose whether you want to bleach it or not. So I don't always bleach my knots. I'm fine with my powder, so that's what I decided to do to blend this lace. Now, this unit, like I said, this unit is a 13 by 4, you guys, but as far as the parting space, this is another unit that you will have to part at a curve. So as opposed to parting it like this way, I found myself having to part it at a curve. Now, which is okay, there's nothing wrong with that because you still achieve a beautiful side part. And I actually think, like, when it's at a curve, it looks really, really good when you put your side part at a curve. I don't know, it's just something about it. Trying to do a straight part, it actually had some track piece right here, so I decided to do it at a curve, and I was able to achieve that side part. And I like my side parts to be deep. I don't like my side parts to look like it's almost the middle part, if that makes sense. Like, I need a true side part. So as far as the parting space, like I said, that track piece is here, but it may go, I would say, probably 4 inches back, maybe 3 inches back, depending on where you part it. It may have just a little bit more space doing a middle part because, again, I did do this at a curve, and then the track piece does start like all the way on the side. So it all just depends on what type of style you're looking for, basically. As far as baby hairs go, you guys, it wasn't hard to pull out these baby hairs. It was actually really easy. Now, this unit did not, it came sort of pre-plucked, but I felt like I needed to pluck it just a little more, just to make it look a little more natural. It was plucked along the edges, I feel like, but it needed to be plucked a little bit more inside of the unit just to show a little bit more scalp. So with this unit, just to let you guys know, you will have to do just a little more plucking. I feel like they already did a little bit for you, but you may have to do just a little more. Now, if you're a person that really doesn't care too much for baby hairs, you could leave it as is and still achieve a baby hair look, but I feel like it won't have as much scalp as it's showing right here. So just to let you guys know that. Now, you guys, with this unit being 220% density, it is really full, so I would definitely suggest you use product to get this hair tamed. Okay, now if you're the type that loves your hair wild, depending on like where you live or depending on what the weather is, you could definitely leave it how it is. I know it's winter time here, but I still don't like my hair to be super thick because it ends up getting in my mouth and all over the place, and I just need my hair to be tamed. So I used water to go ahead and get it down, to comb through it. It was easy to comb through the hair. It went right through. You guys, I used my Eco Styling Gel. Eco Styling Gel works really good on curly hair, wavy hair. So after you spray your hair with water, definitely use Eco Styling Gel. It definitely helps out. It defines the curls, defines the waves, whichever unit you have, it defines it even more. So I would definitely suggest that, but depending on what the density is, because the more density you have, the more thicker it is. So with this one, definitely use water and styling gel for sure. Unit definitely is a yucky texture all through and through. However, when you put the Eco Styling Gel in it, it does give it a little bit of a silky texture, but naturally this is a yucky texture feel. This yucky texture is really soft. Like I said, I was putting my comb right through this unit. When I wet it, I did get a little bit of shedding. I'm not gonna lie, I did get some shedding on the ends. Nothing too bad, but you will get some slight shedding. There was no tangling, so that's good. Now, I do think that this unit came with quite a bit of lace, so depending on if you're a bigger head girl, smaller head girl, I'm a bigger head girl, so even with this unit having more lace, I still had to cut it to fit my head. So as big as I think my head is, like, sometimes these wigs definitely be a little more big-headed than me, so I did have to cut the edges just a little bit to fit my head. Not too much, but you know, there was quite just a little bit of lace on there, and I had to cut my edges. But all in all, like, it fit my hair really good. Now, I did go ahead and adjust the straps inside the unit. I did do the crisscross method. Sometimes I don't have to do that, but depending on how much like lace it is and how, you know, how big the inside of the wig is, I will have to adjust the straps. With this unit, I knew I had to. So I crisscrossed them, and then it worked out just fine. I don't feel like I have a headache or anything. I definitely feel a little bit of the tightness how I adjusted the straps, but I know that the wig is secure. And keep in mind, you guys, the adjustable strap that I did show you in the beginning of the video, if you feel like this unit is a little bigger, you have that adjustable strap. That's what that adjustable strap is for, so that the unit does fit you. Also, you guys, this wig will come just a little bit bulky. This is like a wavy unit, so as far as bulkiness, I think you don't really have too much to worry about. Depends on what style you're doing. I believe I didn't have to bump the wig down too much with my hot comb because I did do a side part, and again, this unit is wavy, so you want to be careful how you bump down your unit with your hot comb so that you don't take out the waves in the unit. So I did slightly, just a little bit at the top, and got it down, and it was just fine. But this wig will come just a little bit bulky, but it's not too much that you have to do. This is a quick and easy install, you guys. Actually, all you really have to do is wet the unit and basically just part it to how you want it styled. This will be the end of this video today, you guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Make sure if you are new, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Put in the comments below the best thing you liked about this unit. Make sure you like this video, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.